Look what I did. Look what I do. Look what I make. Look what happened. I made this by myself. I just found perfect one. Oh, we halfway there. One moment, please. Hello, what's up? I see you in the chat. Hello, how you doing? How's your day? What's going on? What's up? It's an energy drink in Thailand. I only drink one today. I don't even know what's going on outside. I mean, stay inside for like 2 weeks. So I should finish this. Okay, let me see. I'm not gonna go banana. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm a normal person. I'm a normal human. What is not normal about me? Look at me. I think I look normal, right? Look like other people. Look like other human. What is not human about me? Okay, I need to finish this. We're gonna finish this on stream today. So I already start a little bit. Perfect, oh man, I'm so smart. So we're gonna start on the side first, then we go into the middle part. I'm the best, man. I'm so smart. Find and match color. Like a boss. See the color match with this one. So I'm gonna put it on this. Maybe this one. This side or this side. Damn, I'm so smart. I'm like an Albert Einstein, man. Oh, I found another one. The moon. Ah, fuck, man. I'm so good at this. 50% done. It's so easy. See, we got almost done already. Try to find the moon. See, the same color. Batman logo. Maybe it must be here. I'm the best at this, man. I can do it in 3 minutes, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh! I need to focus on this. Focus, man. What the fuck is this song? Let's turn on something else. One moment, please. So much better. Okay, did I show you the light? The light in my room. What do you think of the light? I think it looks nice, right? Wait. What? Oh, yeah, the puzzle, yes. Totally forgot about that. Let's continue finish the thing, yes. You think I'm gonna finish this? See, I'm almost done. I'm halfway there. I have to focus. Don't distract by anything else. Really nice. Almost done, man. Almost done. My friend said that we're gonna meet and do stuff, and my friend hasn't called or anything or text me. I text him and he doesn't text anything back. Yo, we almost got Batman logo. Okay, I don't know when is my friend gonna text me back. We're supposed to meet tomorrow morning, but he doesn't text me or anything yet. Yo, maybe there's zombie apocalypse or something, right? Am I right? I know it could happen, man. The world, so many disease, so many stuff going on. Imagine if it's like really happened. Yo, it makes sense though. My friend haven't texted me back. Maybe he's become zombie already. Maybe there's zombie apocalypse. Oh, perfect.
Spread throughout the heartland.
The news. Oh, is this?
Shock. One patient.
Have there been fatalities?
Perfect. Oh, he got bite.
Woman in the road, and she was moaning or something. So she bit me in the arm, scratched up my face, and just took off.
4 ambulances and several cars pull up with victims seeking emergency care. Whatever's going on, it seems to be far from over.
Although a further call-up of reservists is on the table, our current overseas military assets will remain in place.
There you go. Come on, man. You still trust this here, baby.
apologize for the footage you just witnessed.
Oh my god, zombie! Oh no!
Such poor taste.
Scary. I had to shut the door.
No longer in America. Anna in London.
We're in Notting Hill, a part of London. Who knows if this report will ever be transmitted?
It's too short.
We're
What was that?
experiencing technical problems with our satellite connection, but we'll follow the situation and bring you up-to-date information inside the globe as it comes.
Well, this is perfect.
State and local authorities are urging
Can you see?
communities to form clean and sweep teams. Now go live
I'm not
to
gonna get in that.
website.
I have a weapon. Yeah, so we can finish this puzzle.
Sandy, come on!
That woman right there? I think I did her.
Check, where's the window? Oh my god, zombie everywhere!
We have some startling information from Fran Parker, live at the Hammond County Medical
Shit, this one is so
Examiner's
sucks. I need to buy a new one.
Is one of the most horrific. Stand back. I told you. Please keep your distance. You can see how dangerous it is.
The dead are walking.
There you have it.
Zombie.
The dead are alive, and there's no cure, and there's no explanation, and there's no nothing. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh no!
Are we transmitting? Are we transmitting? Point the camera at me. Point it at me. Just roll. Okay. Things are out of control down below. The city of Los Angeles is like a war zone. These creatures, these zombies, or whatever the hell they are swarming the city.
I have a radio to call for help.
Epidemic is now being referenced. The President has sent to Congress a package of initiatives to be explained by the Secretary.
Hello?
Mr. Secretary.
No signal. Hello? See? It's for real.
The president has declared.
I'm not joking, it's on the news, you see? This is day one of this document. It's okay, I have a lot of food. Day one of this zombie apocalypse. As you can see, I have a bunch of food. Trust me, I can stay alive for a month in my apartment. Canned food. Nothing tell you that you in zombie apocalypse like canned food. And this is my refrigerator. Some wet paper, tissue paper, snack, more snack. Got more snack on the table right there. Yes. I haven't cleaned my fucking. I have to clean this. Yo, zombie apocalypse is not easy, man. Water, food, joint. Yes. I'm so lazy. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Oh, let me show you this. Yeah, as you can see here, I was gonna do it like 3 days ago, and I keep thinking, tomorrow, let's do this tomorrow. I never did. And today, yeah, let's do it tomorrow. Okay, I have to wait for the water. One moment, please. Come on, man, faster. See? Wow, so cool, man. I don't need to drink water. I just want to show you that. To be continued with the puzzle thing. Watch the new. Everybody becomes zombie.
Our nation's borders to Canada and Mexico have been sealed. No longer seek shelter in private residences, no matter how safely protected or well stocked. Retain all ownership records of private property, but do not attempt to transport or defend said property. Rest assured, looters will be prosecuted with deadly
Almost
force.
done.
One place to deal with this monster. You shoot him in the head, right in the head, between the eyes.
The classic shoot in the head.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. Walk, guys.
Ooh, girl.
All right.
You down, girl.
Males may find
Bye
this
bye.
this-
Maybe I should turn off the light.
Very carefully. Okay.
Yes.
Turn you on.
kid's ready now. I'll be there soon.
Yeah, that is so scary, right? I am prepared for the situation. Shit. Okay. And this door is the, I can't get in. Don't dare open inside. Warning, see, you can see there's the warning. Yeah, we can do this in the dark, right? Zombie not gonna get me. I'm sure I'm gonna survive. So quiet outside. Oh, what the fuck with the light? The light is gonna turn off or what? Okay, we have to be really quiet. I think I'm almost done, right? I got everything like yo, I'm gonna get some food. I forgot. Shit. I don't need that. Maybe some snack will be okay. I got some snack over there. Fuck it, let's just get some snack. I think my place look nice, right? I have to be really careful. So I'm just gonna get some snack, I think. Okay, let's check if there are zombies in this. No one. No zombies sit on the toilet or anything. Safe. I think there's a zombie outside, so we have to be really quiet, really nice, really bright. You can see the whole room with this thing, and this light is really cheap too. I only buy this light for like 500 baht or something. Oh! I just fall. Okay, we're gonna check this room. Is there any zombie? Okay, maybe we hide in this room for 5 minutes. I think I'm safe here, right? I don't even know why I'm in this room. This is my safe room, and right now we're gonna go outside again to finish the puzzle thing. Is there gonna be a zombie outside? See, zombie can't get in, right? Fuck, man. have other one. Smaller one. Shit! Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, let's get this one. I think this one is better. Okay. Not in the city area, you know, because if they're like for like zombie for real, I think I'm gonna die if I'm in the city area. There's a lot of people, it's a lot of zombie, you know. I'm not gonna stay in this room like this. I go to Alaska or something, you know, somewhere that, you know, zombie can't follow. I need a plan. We need to go out to the jungle. Yes, this is a good idea. I got a map over here. We can check it out. I live in the city area, right? So I must be around here. We must go around here to the desert. Yes, that is a good idea. Yes. See? The city area have a lot of zombie. Have a lot of people. Also, a lot of food. Yeah, we're gonna get the gun and fucking, I don't know, find somewhere to live. Yo, I really need to go get something to eat, man. I really need some food. Nobody can see me here. I'm safe. Like a boss. What the fuck? Oh, the light. Don't turn off now. Oh, my head. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh, fuck. That was really hurt. We had to film everything, Pablo. I'm just gonna, you know, go outside, deal with the zombie. I need to go to the supermarket. Yes, I'm gonna do that.